Traveling this summer?
We have some great tips for fertility on the road. Hi everyone, my name is Christina Dias. I am the Nursing Director here at RMA of Connecticut.
And my name is Brigitte Alicia. I am the Nurse Manager of the OR.
Today we're going to be addressing some frequently asked questions regarding fertility treatment and some summer-related issues.
During the summertime, we want you to stay as cool as possible. We want you to wear a sun hat, kind of keep yourself kind of cool, drink a lot of fluids. We recommend using a stainless steel container with water, and bring that with you outside during the day. Stay hydrated, that's very important. The men also have to be very cautious during the summertime. You got to make sure that you're not in hot tubs. You keep yourself nice and cool and hydrated as well.
So the rule of thumb is that you want to drink about 11 to 13 glasses of water. They should be about 8 ounces each. If you don't like water, then you can certainly drink seltzer, sparkling water. We really want you to avoid anything that's high in sugar content. The other thing to keep in mind is that even though you can have coffee, you don't want to overdo it. 1 to 2 cups of coffee per day is fine. Again, they should be about 8 ounces each. For anyone that is undergoing IVF therapy or any sort of fertility treatment, alcohol is really not recommended.
So we still want everyone to know that there's still a concern for Zika. So if you're currently pregnant or trying to conceive, we ask that you let your primary doctor know, your primary nurse. Give them a heads up of where you're going. I know there was a lot of concern about using DEET, but actually DEET has, we've done studies and it does prove that it is safe during pregnancy and trying to conceive. If you're going to be in large grassy areas, just be careful. Make sure you check your body to make sure that there's no ticks on you.
If you're going to be out in the sun all day and you're going to be swimming, usually the bug spray is good for about 4 hours, but you want to just be mindful to reapply.
Now a topic a little bit about sunscreen and keeping yourself from getting burned during your heat exposure to your skin. There is a website, it's EWG, it's Environmental Working Group, and if you go on their website, they kind of give you a little overview of which products are safe. They do not recommend sprays or powders or any SPFs over 50, but they do recommend cream-based sunscreens. Another note about the sunscreen and the bug spray, we do not recommend that you use a sunscreen that already has an insect repellent in it. We'd rather you use 2 separate, which would be the sunscreen and then a bug spray. If you are going to apply both, we'd rather you apply the sunscreen first and then put the bug spray on after. Also during the summer, we know that you're on the run, you're moving a lot, you're running back and forth to different places, and so we want you also to try and bring healthy snacks with you. Maybe some cut vegetables, some fruit, even in container nuts. Just keep them, carry them with you. Like Christina said, you can put them in a cool pack. Even the bars, if you just carry these bars with you in your pocketbook, the kashi bars, just try and make sure you always keep yourself prepared just in case you don't have time to stop and eat a healthy meal. You have a little bit of snacks with you while you're on the run.
Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we have some great information on our website as well at rmact.com.